this and all of our other strings that we've done and make some nice square corners, 90-degree square, not square, all the same thing, I guess.
Okay. A little more. Okay, that's perfect. I feel like Davy Crockett. Didn't he go around sledgehammering?
Davy Crockett? You mean John Henry?
Oh, Paul Bunyan.
I think you put a bunch of American folk heroes into one. It's supposed to be 10 feet. Yep.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw.
So we're building the goat pen, and look who comes to join us. Y'all just think you can roam wherever you want?
So we can measure this in a couple of ways to check if we've done our squaring right. So this should be really square, and it is pretty good, pretty good. The second way you can check is like this, where you would measure the distance from this corner, okay, so to here, and to here is not the same.
This makes me kind of concerned for future house plans that have like 30 piers. It would take us like a month.
It's gonna take a long time. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give this cow a pet on the head, and then we're gonna put up our blocks.
I feel like I'm already really high on this ladder though. I guess I gotta go up a little bit. I'm scared.
Let's turn it upright and see how it looks.
A little crazy, but it won't really matter.
Coming together. The board's got a bow in it. It's so big and heavy. Also, we're doing this totally backwards.
Why?
Usually you go from the ground up.
It's a good start, I guess.
And then I realized that our wood's gonna sag. We got these to put on the ground and create supports. Now it's gonna start coming together kind of quick for a second.
So it appears that the wood we cut already maybe is too short.
With this, we're done with this. This is all done. We're done with that side.
That was painful.
Forget about our pains.
Time to move on. We are going to use some of the stuff we learned from here, and we're going to improve. We're not going to use nearly as many nails this time. We're not going to do the board up and down at the top. I don't know why we did that anyway. That was dumb. Going to stick out above the tin. Why did we do that?
I don't know.
You goats better love this place. Are y'all going to love your new house? He genuinely likes us, not just for food. Although he is trying to get a lot more. Okay, mister. This is what always happens. We had a little goat interlude, had to take care of them, give them a snack. Now it's 6:50. This is what, and now we're not in time.
Good enough? Not good enough.
It's perfect. We gotta get used to that one. Down here.
Oh. Turn it around. This is the other way. What are we doing? Rookie. As you can see, that board crooked. Huh.
Well, we tried.
Okay, I'll leave it to the side.
Third time's the charm.
I've never seen a less capable retraction. I don't know what that was about. too short. Reasonably curvy.
If you had ever told me that I'd be getting up early enough to work on a goat pen before work, I would not have believed you.
Sun's barely up.
Goat pen progress has been pretty slow because every day it is about 100 degrees.
We got distracted this weekend a little bit with going to look at some other things. Edited in there.
Right. So we've got a little gap here, so we're gonna hammer it down with the sledgehammer. We should have done that on all of them. That worked perfectly. Appears that it's gonna be way too tall.
I really think it's the wood more than anything.
Yeah, but you measured it right here. And we're thinking that when we did our brilliant sledgehammering, that probably affected
The measurement, you changed it like half an inch.
this one that we're gonna try to knock out right now, and then one more section because we're gonna make the rest a big barn door sometime. Well, it is 7:30, so we are officially out of time. We did not finish this whole wall, but
Yeah, pretty good started.
we made a lot of progress. We are finally done with the initial framing. Our first wall here, pretty rough. We definitely made some mistakes. This was really bad.
Looks a little rough.
Improved a lot each time, actually. And our final wall looks pretty good. So this definitely is a lot that we'll be able to apply for our cabin build. Considering how long this took us, it does make me think that framing a house would probably take us about 2 years.
Well, framing a house with sawmill wood. Definitely we're going to use a lot of sawmill wood for a house. So I think we need to process it more.
And for a goat house, this is pretty good. Well, it was in reverse for one. My gosh!
Got bad news. We're square with the posts. We're square with these posts, but we're not square with the roof.
So then it would probably just rain in the goat pen,
It might.
which was the whole reason we were building this, to not rain in. Not good when it's only 6 a.m. and you're throwing the tape measure.